Hi guys, just showing you this product that we have been using for quite a few years now. This is the EPM tri-bar DRL with the sequential turn for 15 to 17 Mustangs. And this one comes with a complete waterproof build. You can see we have really robust wire. All the plugs are waterproof, and we also made a plug and play harnesses for most of the plugs, and only the DRL plug you actually need to do a wire splice. The rest are super simple and just plug and play. And you can also see the DRLs are super bright, and this side as well. You can see the robust metal build and plug and play connectors. So this is a must-have for the 1570 Mustang, because somehow the Ford has left the DRLs out for the 15 to 17, and you must, in my opinion, add this back into your Mustang. Otherwise, your pony is kind of blind. Yeah, so just have a look at this whole thing. Looks really good. Thank you, and I'll talk to you next time.